Goodbye, nobody.
Say bye, Poppy.
That's right. Bye-bye.
Who's next? Say bye-bye, Poppy.
Nice shoes.
Who's next, Rhino? Uncle Jason. You and Uncle Jason match.
Bye, buddy. You have fun, buddy.
Okay. We're missing one.
Abby, where'd you go?
There's a way. I know that we can never stay. You know that we can never stay. These open roads get lost and find our way. We're nowhere close from the place that we call home. Tell me, love, are we dreaming yet? I just can't believe where we are. I just can't believe where we are.
When you don't want to pay tolls, you take Poor Man's Parkway, which is directly paralleling the parkway. Whatever it is, expressway, I don't know.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York.
I got burning feet from hot asphalt. A voice within me tells me don't go home. So I run until my feet give out. I jump a little higher to clear the ground. Every shadow of every girl, every time I turn around, I swear it's her. I second guess my every move. I hold my breath in case I run into you. Oh, I just can't look. I can't bear the thought of seeing you with someone new. Oh, I swear I'm almost over you. And sometimes I find I switch off and I start to drive streets that no longer are my own. I keep driving your way home.
Alright, I've just dropped off the rental car. Oh, what a drive. We stopped in New Jersey. I can't remember exactly where, to visit Meghan's now former employers. Had a good lunch with them, a good visit. Some of the nicest people I've ever met. Ambo Properties. And now I'm at LaGuardia at the Avis lot. Turning the car, waiting on the shuttle, and then I'll head to the hotel and we'll get some rest and start in the morning. So we're at the hotel. Kids are watching Lion King. We just got some food. Since we're in New York, we ordered halal food from Halal Munchies. It wasn't halal, guys, but it's all good. The stuff is so good. Chicken and lamb with all their sauce and whatnot.
I got their chicken sandwich
And you got a chicken sandwich.
with their special sauce.
Good. We're gonna eat
Let's turn this down.
Can't wait.
Fill it out, and we had to mail them both my passport from 1975 and both of our passport cards. We had to mail them in, and I put them in an envelope and taped it up, and I went to the post office and I said, hey,
Watch this. Watch this.
okay, go. Oh my gosh, are you okay, Heidi? Are you okay?
Okay, let me see your super hair trick.
Heidi,